Hello everyone, try this simple mug cake recipes. You will love the spongy and fluffy texture of the mug cakes. So why late? Don't miss this yum recipe. All you need is 6 coffee mugs. Take a first mug of your choice and then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a pinch of baking soda, half a pinch baking powder, and mix all the dry ingredients well. And then add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, add 5 tablespoons of milk, add 5 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Add 2 drops of lemon or vinegar. Mix it into a fine paste without any lumps. For the second recipe, add 2 cubes of dairy milk and then oil and then milk. The quantity is same as told for the first recipe, so all the ingredients are also same. So in goes butter and vinegar and then mix it into thin recipe and then add all the dry ingredients like maida, sugar, baking soda and baking powder. Mix it into a fine paste without any lumps for better results. Then only you will get that spongy and fluffy nature of the cake. Okay. And for the third recipe, add all-purpose flour or maida. Add all the dry ingredients like sugar, baking soda and baking powder. And now add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Don't add too much, you will get a bitter taste. And then mix finely all the dry ingredients and add butter, add oil, add vinegar and add milk and again mix it into a fine paste and put it aside. And for the other 3 recipes, take a large bowl and add 8 tablespoons of maida, 8 tablespoons of powdered sugar. In goes baking soda and baking powder and 8 tablespoons of oil, 12 tablespoons of milk and 5 tablespoons of butter. Mix it into a fine paste and then take 3 coffee mugs. Grease it with butter, all the 3 coffee mugs, and add up to half the quantity, all the batter into all the 3 mugs. And put the remaining batter aside. Now add any seasonal fruit to it. Now this is a season of mangoes. I have added fresh chopped mangoes. And for the other, I have added all the dry fruits of our choice, pistachios, cashews and almonds or badam. And for the third recipe, for those red velvet lovers, those who miss this red velvet, just add a pinch of red color to it and then the raisins and then nuts. And there goes the remaining batter into all the 3 mugs. And here it is all set. How simple it is, isn't it? Simple eggless batter and you can taste 6 different varieties just within 2 minutes. So here add some powdered dry fruits powder just to garnish it. And there it goes, red velvet, dairy milk, cocoa, mango, plain vanilla and then the dry fruits cake recipe. Now preheat the oven at 180 degrees and then for the first time I have placed only 2 mugs. Then I have set the oven time for only 2 minutes and then this is the result. See that spongy and fluffy nature of the cake. It's truly yum. Everybody will love it. Just give it a try and then again place the remaining 4 cups into it and set the oven at 4 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And then this is the result. Check it if you have any doubt with the toothpick or any fork. And if it is clean, then your mug cakes are ready to serve. And here it is. See that fluffy and spongy nature of the cocoa powder. I have added some dairy milk when it is hot. It's little bit melted. And now it is the dairy milk recipe. It is truly yum and mouth watering. See, and this is the dry fruits mug cake. See that spongy nature and all the nuts in it. And now here again I have garnished this mango mug cake with some other mangoes, chopped mangoes for better taste. This is the red velvet. See the texture, how it had come. Truly kids will love it. Give it a try. Don't miss this recipe. And this is the resin recipe. I have garnished with some cashews also. Those who don't like resins, you can add of any nuts of your choice. Now don't miss this. Isn't it really yummy? Your kids will truly love it. You can have it in the morning for the breakfast, or you can have it in the evening and during the tea time. You can give them as an evening snack. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye.